Hi, my name's Crystal from childblocks.net. Today we're going to be talking about Melissa and Doug stacking construction vehicles. This is the box that it came in. Sorry about the glare. It comes with 3 solid wood take-apart vehicles, and my son is proudly going to show them off. So Levi, why don't you show everybody which one the bulldozer is? I don't know if anybody can hear that over the baby, but it's an orange bulldozer. It's very big, he said. Levi, why don't you take the bulldozer apart and show people what it looks like? Put it right here. Let me move these 2 out of the way. Show everybody how you take it apart. Now put it back together for everybody. Now doesn't this go on here? Good job. Ta-da! That is the bulldozer. Now I'll show everybody what is this?
A dump truck.
Actually, let me see really quick. Dump truck. Yep. Okay, that's the Melissa and Doug dump truck. You can go ahead and take it apart. Good job. All right, now show everybody the cement mixer.
A cement mixer and a big and strong, and it has black wheel, and it can move on a road.
It can move on the road?
Yeah.
Which one is your favorite?
They want my paper. They want my paper. They want my paper.
They're all your favorite? Okay. And there you have it. That is the Melissa and Doug stacking construction vehicle set. I don't know where you can buy this. I mean, I'm sure I could find out if I Google it. But my mother actually bought it for my son at a hospital gift shop. So I'm sure you can find this at Toys R Us. And if not Toys R Us, I'm sure Amazon has it. Maybe Target or Walmart. Trying to be fair to all the stores out there. All right, thanks. Levi, say bye.
Bye.
Bye.